guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite beauty blogger. If you haven't been here before, then welcome. Now I'm going to be doing this video a bit differently today. I've had a very stressful week, so I thought instead of having a theme to this video, I thought I could just get into the camera, do my makeup, and we could just have a chat, whether it be about makeup, whether it just be about things we're doing. I just thought, what better way than to just chat and have fun doing makeup. So this video is going to be a lot different to the videos I normally do. Normally there's a theme, it's thought out, but today I thought I could just get on camera, I could just my makeup routine from start to finish, and we could just chat about anything we want. It doesn't necessarily have to be about makeup. Like, I finished binge watching all series of Friends the other day and I thoroughly enjoyed that. Maybe we could just have a chat in the comments, but whatever you feel, because I'm pretty stressed at the moment. So I thought if you're stressed as well, we could just sit, we could have a Kiki, we could just chat and have some fun without any pressure, just to kind of ease some of the tension. Okay, so I have moisturised and done everything like that. So I'm going in with my foundation, and my foundation I'm going in with is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 145. I use this every single time on my channel because it is my absolute favourite, and I think I'm running out, so I need to get some more of that with my birthday money, which is in like a couple of weeks, which I'm stressing about because I turned 25 and that is a quarter of a century and I am absolutely dreading it. I hate birthdays, I never celebrate them. I don't know, I'm gonna be honest, I get pretty depressed on birthdays because I worry about what I'm doing with my life and how it's going, and it stresses me out. I don't know if anyone else feels the exact same. I know other people like to spend a month celebrating their birthday, but I don't tell people it's my birthday, other than Facebook telling people it's my birthday. I try to ignore it. Luckily I have dance on my birthday, so I have some time to waste, but my mum's working most of the day as well, so it's really going to just be a day by myself, which is actually kind of depressing. But late at night, Mum promised me some Dominoes, so I'm missing the diet just for that day because you're allowed to on your birthday, and I'm going to have a nice fat Dominoes, which I'm very excited for. Oh, but no, it's been such a stressful week. I just come on here, have some fun. Makeup really distresses me. I find it so soothing to do. Usually I sit, I put some music on, I have a little sing-song, I listen to some proper cheesy songs, like musicals, and I usually put on a mix of Beyonce on YouTube and just let it play and just go a bit psycho. Okay, so the next product I'm going in with is also a product I use every single time on my channel. It's the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and this is in the shade C3. Now what I want to know is, although yeah, we're still in lockdown in Britain, what has everyone got planned for this week? That's what I want to know. I have half term, so I'm not dancing, I'm not doing anything. It's my mum's birthday on Sunday, so I'm excited. I got her some really fun presents that I'm excited to give her. Don't know about you, but I love buying people presents, I love giving people presents. I love to put thought into people's presents and then to see them open it and get excited. I actually prefer that than to getting presents. So, God, I've done that way too big on my nose. Oh God, I'll have to contour that down. But no, I got my mum a few Winnie the Pooh things because growing up she used to read me the Winnie the Pooh books, and we still watch it sometimes on Disney Plus. And I got her a giant Kanga a couple of years ago, but I got her a little Winnie the Pooh book from Disney Store because she does poems. She's pretty good at it. She has some of them published. So I thought it would be quite a cute book for her to do poems in. I got her a few books because she likes reading. So I really do enjoy giving people presents. Okay, so that's my concealer all blended out, and next thing I'm going in with is my powder, and this is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. I really like this. It's really lightweight and just simple and easy to wear, just as what it says on the tin. And I'm running out of this as well, so I hope I get some money for my birthday just so I can buy back loads of makeup that I am using. Now I'm actually quite excited to do this video because normally I'm a bit stressed but at the moment I haven't really got a lot of time to do things. I'm on call, my grandmother's in the hospital, so I've got that. I've not been very well, so luckily, usually when I do my makeup videos, I film a few, like I do like a couple a day or like a few days, and because I only give out 2 a week, it kind of helps the backlog. So because I'm ill quite a lot, not like, it's weird, I'm technically not got anything wrong with me, it's more mentally, like stress. When I get stressed, it makes me horrifically ill. I get physically ill when I'm stressed. So when people say mental illness isn't a real illness, then like I've gone a week without eating before due to stress. Like, it is not good. So don't belittle people if they say they're ill because of stress, because it is real. And don't feel bad if you are stressed, because it's a pretty horrific time at the moment. Nobody's enjoying it, and you're entitled to have your feelings. So to cheer this up a bit, I have powdered. I just did a light one today because I'm not actually going anywhere, so I'm just doing some nice makeup. So moving on to contour. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Get the Pretty Started. It's one I use all the time. Basically, I'm just using all my makeup that I normally wear on a regular basis, and I'm applying it using the Spectrum 804 brush. I was actually quite excited just to sit and chat and have no stress about putting on makeup, which is nice sometimes. It's nice not to have any, like, it's nice to have something that's not stressful. So I'm just going to do my normal kind of makeup routine. It's kind of a get ready with me, but I'm filming at, like, I don't know what the time is, but it is nearly 4 o'clock. This will probably come out in the... I always set them for the morning, just because it's easier for me. But it's 4 o'clock, and the second I do this, I'll probably chill on this makeup for a bit, and then, because it's Saturday night, some Saturday night TV. I know it's probably not going to be Saturday when I release this, but I love a bit of Saturday night television. I'm a girl who likes to stay in rather than go out on a Saturday night. Like, I'll get turned up. I like to party, but if I had a choice, I think I'd stay in and watch TV. I like to snuggle on the couch, and I'm gonna make myself some pizza tonight. I do a thing called a wrap pizza, so it's a bit healthier. So I use a wrap, and then I do like chopped tomatoes, but like sieved because I'm fussy like that. And then I'll add whatever I want onto the top just to make it a bit healthier. Don't know if anyone's tried it before. I'm trying to be healthy. I'm just going to do a light brow today. I say that in like that because I say light, but really for me it's not that light. But what I am happy about is my eyebrows are growing back, because quite a few years ago I had them waxed, and whoever did it gave me thin 90s brows. And if you've known me since childhood, you know I've had the thickest, bushiest brows. So it was a complete shock to the system, and they never grew back properly since. So I've kind of left them. I usually pluck them myself now. I've kind of left them to grow and get kind of bad, so they kind of get back to a natural state, and then I can work from there. But no, it was... oh. Luckily at that point I had started to draw on my brows, because before I didn't, because my brows were so bushy I was too scared. But now I can't go without doing my brows. I can't have this much makeup on and then not do my brows. And moving on to shadow. Now, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do for my shadow today, so it's going to be a fun little surprise for me. Now, I don't know if you've seen my previous video, I used the Beauty Bay New Romantics. I suggest quickly go and watching that. It's really good. I'm not going to do too much spoilers on the review in case you haven't watched it, but let's just say I like it enough that I'm going to definitely use it again. So I'm going to use it today for my eyes. Now, once again, I don't want to do too much, but then it's me, so it's probably going to end up being crazy. So the first shadow I'm going in with is that shade right there, which is Vanilla, and that's just going to go all over my lid. I'm deciding what I want to go in with. I think I'm going to go in with that shade right there, which is Birthday. It's a really nice pinky blush. And all I'm going to do is kind of do like a diagonal shape right here and just blend it out, because I kind of have some idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to do like a blown out kind of look. I practiced it loads of times because I actually had to do it for a wedding last year. And I actually really liked it. So I'm going to keep it. I'm going to do it the same, just with slightly different colours, obviously. She didn't have a bright pink eye. Okay, fun. Now from there, I'm going to go in, I think, with that shade right there, that brown shade called Lingerie. And that is going to create the same shape as the Birthday did, just kind of a bit more concentrated in the centre. So moving on, because I want to have that deeper, I am going to go in with the shade Saddle, which is kind of like that deep brown there. And I am just going to use this tiny little kind of detailing brush, because I want that line to almost be like a liner. And that is just going to go through the centre of that brown we just did, and kind of create a fake liner, like so. But it's definitely going to be more blended out, because I kind of want that kind of muted, kind of blended out look. So I'm going to take this brush here, which is the Morphe M502, just to blend. Now I will say there's a bit of fallout, so I'm going to have to go back and fix that. Fun. Now what I am going to do is go back in with that Lingerie shade right there, and I'm just going to create kind of like a half semicircle right here, just to deepen that a bit, and then to connect it. And take kind of like a more detailed kind of packing brush, and I'm going to go in with that shade right there called Muffin, just to deepen it a bit more, just because that Lingerie is definitely more of a transitional shade rather than a deepening shade, but I still like it enough to use it. I am loving that. Make sure you kind of keep it connected, go back in if you have to. I love that. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, go off camera, add some lashes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so my eyes are done. I did my lashes. I think that is looking cute. I'm really enjoying that. And now I'm going to move on to lips. Now for lips, I'm going in with the lip liner, which is the LA Girl in Cabaret. It's kind of like a deep reddy brown, and then in the centre I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade The One. Before I do my lips, I am just going to lip balm them, because they are dry and crackly. It's been snowing where I live. It doesn't normally snow. If it's snowing here, it's usually snowing everywhere. That's usually what happens. So my lips are incredibly dry, and I've just got this cute little Mickey Mouse one, which I am in love with. My lips do tend to get really dry and crackly, so I always make sure I lip balm them before I apply any lipstick. Usually I do it at the start of my makeup routine, but I forgot today. So I'm just going to just blend it in, because we don't want it too slippery when I go see my lips. So I'm going to get started. Now the lips are completed. It's a bit pinker than I was expecting, but we have made that choice. So of course now I'm moving on to highlighter, and another one of my absolute favourites is the Makeup Revolution Ice. Now at the start of the video I was talking about how I just finished binge watching the entire 10 series of Friends. It took me a while, but I did it. And what I want to know if there's anything you guys are binge watching at the moment that's worth watching. I've seen, of course, Bridgerton. Of course, who hasn't? I binge watched last year Gossip Girl. I did that. I don't know what else I've binge watched, but is there anything good watching? I've started watching that It's a Sin. Now, I could binge watch that on all four, but it's a bit too depressing for me to binge watch, so I watch it every Friday, and I'm obsessed with it. It is so good. It does make me really sad. I like cry like every single episode. But it is such a good program. That's one I suggest people watch. If you have the chance, it is so informative and just so well written. And of course, Bridgerton. Insane. Oh my god. So I just want to see what everyone else is watching, and if there's anything I should be watching. I might give up my Netflix account this next month, because I don't really want to keep spending that money if I'm not going to carry on watching it. But no, I've been watching loads of films that I just haven't watched because I haven't wanted to buy them. It's actually quite fun. I don't usually do inner corner highlights because of the way my eyes are. You can't really see the inner corner highlight till you turn, so I don't usually bother. But with this look, I'm actually kind of living for it. Okay, and one more step, and that is my setting spray. And of course, I'm going in with my NYX Dewy Finish. It is one of my favourites, and it was like under £10. It's cheap. There's a video on this, on all my favourite products under £10, and it definitely made the list. And there you have it. There is the look completed. I know this video was different. Normally I try to make my videos informative and fun, but it's been such a stressful week. I just wanted to sit down and do my makeup. Now, I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope we can maybe connect and maybe talk in the comments or whatever. But as I say in most of my videos, I'll say it till my face turns blue. If you are struggling, please do not keep it in. I've known to do that, and it really does not help or work, whether you want to talk to me or, as always, I will link some numbers down below. Please do not feel afraid to chat. I tried to make this a nice simple video with no pressure, so it's really up to you, but my opinion is it's always better to let it out and talk. Nobody's having a good time at the moment, so you are definitely not alone, so don't feel like you're out on a ledge by yourself. We are all struggling in one way or another, whether it's more intense or whether it's not much. Stress is still stress, so please do not feel afraid to speak out. You can DM me anytime. I'm not a busy gal, so anytime you feel like you need to chat, message me, because I'm always needing for someone to talk to. Oh, I really don't talk to many people. But no, I really do hope you enjoyed this style of video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, make sure you are subscribed and hit the notification bell down below so you are notified on when new videos come out. And I have tons of other videos for you to watch, so if you are having one of those days where you don't know what to do with yourself, binge watch them. I would. And as always, I will put the look, even though it's not really much of a look, on my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger. You can also like my pro Facebook page, facebook.com/MUA by Emily, and I also have my pro website, which is also linked down below, and my Twitter, and I've started a TikTok. Now that is something that has actually distressed me. I've been having some fun on there, so make sure you follow and I'll follow you back. So tell me, message me, say that YouTube sent you, and then I will message you. I will follow you back for sure. And as always, I really hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you in the next one.